Let's be honest. Island hopping sounds like something out of a dream. But aboard a catamaran in the Caribbean, that dream becomes your daily routine. Whether you're planning a family getaway, a romantic escape, or just need to disconnect from land and emails, we've got the top Caribbean sailing itineraries that combine real marinas, hidden beaches, and unforgettable moments. So grab your flip-flops and sunscreen. This is your guide to the best catamaran routes in paradise. Start your journey at Blue Lagoon Marina in St. Vincent, easy to access via Argyle International Airport. From there, head to Bequia, a sailor's favorite with a charming waterfront and the legendary Jack's Beach Bar. Kids can watch turtles at the Old Heg Turtle Sanctuary, while adults indulge in fresh lobster. Next is Mustique, the private island retreat of royals and rock stars. It's peaceful, posh, and perfect for paddleboarding along secluded beaches. Then comes Mayro, population 270. It's got just one road, but it leads to Salt Whistle Bay, a breathtaking crescent beach protected by a reef, ideal for beginners on a paddleboard. You'll anchor at the Tobago Cays Marine Park, one of the top snorkeling destinations in the Caribbean. Think turtles, stingrays, and maybe a curious reef shark. Finish strong at Union Island, a colorful town with friendly locals, fresh markets, and a bit of nightlife at Happy Island, a tiny bar built entirely on conch shells. This one's a classic for a reason. The BVIs are the easiest Caribbean cruising grounds, gentle winds, short sails, and plenty of mooring buoys. Start at Nanny Cay Marina, grab provisions at Right Way, and make your way to Norman Island, the inspiration for Treasure Island. Snorkel into caves, and then toast the sunset at Pirate's Bite Bar. Peter Island is next, great hiking trails and serene beaches. Then Cooper Island, where you'll find an eco-resort with a microbrewery and artisan ice cream. Don't miss Salt Island, home to the wreck of the RMS Rhone, a must-dive site featured in the movie The Deep. Wrap up at Jost Van Dyke, grab a painkiller cocktail at the world-famous Soggy Dollar Bar, then float in the gentle surf of White Bay. Start from Palm Cay Marina, just 45 minutes from Nassau Airport. Stock up, load your snorkel gear, and set sail through water so blue, you'll think someone turned the saturation way up. Highbourne Cay is your first stop. Walk the dock past nurse sharks and dine at the Hilltop Zuma restaurant. Next, Shroud Cay, where you can kayak winding creeks through mangroves to a freshwater spring, then on to Staniel Cay, where the Thunderball Grotto offers movie-worthy snorkeling. Just around the corner, Big Major Cay, home of the Instagram-famous swimming pigs. Feed them from your dinghy, just watch your fingers. Compass Cay offers a more daring experience. Pet and swim with nurse sharks at the Marina Dock. End at Wardrick Wells, the crown jewel of the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park, with mooring balls tucked between islands and hiking trails with panoramic views. Fly into Princess Juliana Airport, yep, the one with the planes that skim over the beach. Start at Marina Fort Lewis and cruise to Anguilla, famous for Shoal Bay East, beachside grills and live reggae under the stars. Next is St. Bart's. Yes, it's pricey, but anchoring in Gustavia lets you people watch super yachts and enjoy a gelato along the promenade. Isle Forchu is a volcanic gem, no development, just raw beauty and snorkeling. Then Tintamara, where sea turtles hang near the reef and natural mud baths leave your skin feeling like a spa treatment. End with Grand Case, known as the culinary capital of the Caribbean. Think fresh-baked baguettes, French Creole fusion, and an anchorage with spectacular sunsets. Travel seasons. December-May offers the best conditions. Hurricane season runs June-November, though early June is often quiet. Crude or bareboat. Go bareboat if you're experienced. Go crude if you want a chef and captain and zero stress. Provision smart. Many marinas offer online provisioning you can pre-order, but don't forget to sample local markets too. Booking sites. Try Dream Yacht Charter, Sunsail, or The Moorings, or browse lesser-known gems on Click and Boat or Salo. From pirate caves to pig beaches, private islands to snorkeling sanctuaries, the Caribbean is filled with experiences best seen from the deck of a catamaran. Ready to plan your next trip? Check the video description for itinerary links and booking resources, and don't forget to subscribe to Charter Routes for more sailing tips, island inspiration, and visual escapes.